It is a story that has moved the entire country, in fact, shocked. Dramatic images coming in of what happened with the Air India flight earlier in Ahmedabad. And right now, what we are looking at are images of distraught family, images of the relief rescue operations that continue. I want you to look at this. This will tell you of the impact of what we are talking about. Charred remains of the flight 787 that, remember, otherwise it's said to be pretty robust, pretty stable. It is the first fatality and the first crash that you're looking at a 787 Boeing. But this is exactly where it struck. Now, this portion is the part of a neighboring medical college that, remember, got hit. And you have people who've been injured here, you've had people who've also been killed here. Now you have JCBs, iron cutters, almost everything that has been rushed to the spot to ensure that any kind of survivors are picked out. You have portions of this entire, aircraft that you can see here. Right now, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah is at the venue. He is in fact at the place where the crash took place. And everything that you see today from Ahmedabad just breaks you down. I mean, the enormity of this entire tragedy is so huge because we have never seen such a tragedy. And clearly there are a lot of questions. How did this happen? There are in fact images of the moment of the crash. And I want to see if I can take you across to that. Now, this is a video that a lot of you must have seen earlier today also coming in of just those seconds where it takes off, but it is not able to provide that much thrust. And within seconds, then you will see just crashing down. And then you will see this huge smoke and this inferno and the blaze. That is the moment. And clearly, the images, the moment looks very bleak, something that you have seen there in those images, and everything that you will see coming out of the crash site, because the idea is to ensure that all survivors are moved out to safety, but unfortunately there is just news of one of the survivors that has walked out a little while earlier. Everyone is in a state of shock right now. There are questions being raised whether we feel safe or not. In fact, this is that one individual we are talking about who's a walking miracle, and he is someone who's walked out alive. He was sitting on seat number 11 is what we are given to understand, but this is a sister channel, NDTV India only, putting out his picture. And also this is another video of the time of the crash, and I'm sure you must have seen a lot of this through the day today. It's a story again that raises a lot of questions, whether this was a bird hit, whether this was an engine failure. Obviously it's an engine failure, but what led to this? Considering you're living in today's day and time where aviation sector is considered to be pretty robust, pretty safe, but in spite of this, and here in the newsroom, remember, it's been one of those days where you realize that yes, it's a story that is moving very fast. It's a story that has different angles. You have reporters being rushed to the spot. You have a lot of things happening, but just the scale of the fact that you're talking of individuals who are no more, you're talking of families today who are distraught, does break your heart. And we hope and pray that there is a proper investigation after you have the call data records that are picked up, the black box, and a lot of other things to actually find out who's responsible and what really happened of the Boeing 787 that literally goes up in flames. We at NDTV will continue to track that story.